Samsung Electronics produces cutting-edge smartphones.
At its headquarters in Gumi, South Korea, and at facilities in Vietnam, India, Brazil, and Indonesia.
Recycled aluminum, cleaned and sourced sustainably. Undergoes melting within a reverberatory furnace, a crucial step in Samsung Galaxy smartphone production.
In the volume key and SIM card tray components of the Samsung Galaxy, at least 28% of the aluminum by weight is from recovered manufacturing scrap.
Direct chill casting is carried out, which involves melting aluminum
and pouring it into a water-cooled mold, cooling it rapidly to form billets or cylindrical logs for further processing.
to facilitate handling and ensure precision during production. The extruded aluminum is cut to a specific length and inspected for quality.
Using a rolling mill, Samsung obtains aluminum sheets of uniform thickness for its Galaxy smartphones, ensuring consistent quality and efficient manufacturing processes.
To achieve the shape of desired components, Samsung employs specialized dies in the stamping process,
ensuring precision and consistency. Once the process of stamping and cutting components is complete,
they are machined to achieve precise tolerances and finishes.
A polishing roller, or buffing roller, hovers above the finished aluminum parts
to smooth and improve the surface finish of the components before assembly.
in machining, the coolant fluid facilitates the cooling of the cutting tool and workpiece,
and helps remove chips and debris from the cutting area.
Aluminum offers lightweight durability, excellent heat dissipation, and recyclability,
improving the overall performance and longevity of the device.
An NPM pick-and-place machine places electronic components on printed circuit boards
during assembly, ensuring accurate and efficient positioning.
Advanced robotics are essential for the precise assembly of Samsung cell phones,
ensuring consistent quality and minimizing human error in the production process.
Software algorithms control assembly robots, optimizing speed
and efficiency while maintaining the high standards of quality required for Samsung cell phones. Sub-window and back glass in Samsung smartphones incorporate an average of 25% pre-consumer recycled glass,
sourced from scrap in manufacturing processes.
Samsung uses recycled glass as a component in the manufacturing process of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus,
known for its durability, scratch resistance, and protection.
Clean room environments prevent contamination, which is crucial for the sensitive components used in Samsung cell phone manufacturing.
Real-time data analytics monitor and adjust the production process,
identifying potential issues and ensuring each Samsung cell phone meets stringent performance standards.
Precision automatic grippers position and adjust components. During manufacturing, improving assembly efficiency, accuracy, and consistency.
Precision assembly lines are equipped with sensors and advanced vision systems.
Speaker modules, cases, and some internal components use repurposed plastic.
Sourced from discarded fishing nets, water barrels, and PET bottles. Since 2009, Samsung has reused over 409,000 tons of recycled plastics. These components are rigorously tested for quality and durability, ensuring reliability in products worldwide.
And is on track to reach 500,000 tons by 2030.
Samsung Galaxy smartphones are equipped with powerful processors
And ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking.
And fast performance for all applications. Automated guided vehicles improve efficiency and precision by autonomously transporting components and finished products, streamlining assembly and testing processes, throughout the manufacturing process, tests are conducted to verify that the components meet the design, functionality, and quality specifications.
Automated robots repeatedly open and close the displays of models like the Galaxy S24, ensuring durability and reliability, simulating real-world usage scenarios.
A camera test involves placing the phone in front of spinning wheels.
With colorful patterns to evaluate the camera's response to motion and color processing capabilities.
Robots conduct low-light tests on smartphone cameras
To capture clear images in challenging lighting conditions.
Advanced robots perform focus accuracy tests on smartphone cameras, ensuring clear and sharp images across various shooting conditions.